Hello, people and lovely viewers. To anyone who is new, my name is Joy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw basic wolf mounts if you all are kind of confused or just not really good with working with wolf's mounts. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it. So biting, and I'm gonna put two dots under each so I can just draw it there. I should just do it like this, but never mind. And growling, happy, why not? And sad, because why not? Literally the least. So this would come in the lots of letters thing. This would come first, second, third, fourth. Anyways, so biting. I'm gonna just go ahead and just draw this one. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to draw your nose. And once you draw your nose, you can go ahead and you're just going to draw a little line like that. And complete the nose fully. You're going to draw 3 little whisker holes here, or 4 or 5. Or 6 if you'd like. Or 7. And you're just, if you want, you can just draw like 3 whiskers. And then you're going to go ahead and you're just going to make a line over here. And once you do that, you're going to put a line over here. And kind of bring that down over here. Okay, maybe that's a little wide, BRB. So then, so you can just draw a little line like this, and then draw a line under. I think you already know that, but now just draw this little things, and draw the other 2. I just draw 2 here if you like, and same here, but just this little triangles up, and like 2, like rather pointed triangle ones. So just try doing it like that. There you go. So that's biting all done. So now we're gonna go ahead and do growling. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna kind of make this kind of like a curved little mouth over there. I mean snout, not mouth. Beep. And here you're gonna draw a little nose, just a little tiny little nose. You can make it a little bigger if you'd like. And you're going to go ahead and just draw those little squiggly lines, because a wolf or dog's face, or like a wolf or dog like kind of thing, a wolf dog, when they growl, their face here is just the snout. The snout here is just kind of wrinkled up. So you're gonna go ahead and draw that. Here again by another line, but here's that. And here you're gonna go ahead and just draw a C. And you're gonna go ahead and you're just going to do the same thing you did as biting over here. So after that, you're going to just draw a tick. And once you're done with that, there you go. And just 2 bumps here. And that's growling completed, or snarling. Let me go ahead and just fix this up. There, I fixed it up by erasing it. And now we're gonna go ahead and do happy. These people. Sorry for that. Someone's selling flowers. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, just like biting, you're gonna make this shape. Depends on where your wolf is facing, here or there, so like that. You're going to go ahead and you're going to rather curve this nose over here. Make a little line and some whiskers and whiskers, goes yes. And you're gonna go ahead. This was actually pretty simple. There, like, bro, that's simple. I don't really use this preferably, but I'm gonna use these from now on when I'm doing fighting wolves and when I'm doing happy and sad wolves. So for sad, it's actually just like this, but making this go down and adding the here. So I'm just going to show this to you when I'm done. And done. So those are all of the biting, growling, happy, and sad mouths all done, completed. So make sure that you one by one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. You don't have to, but just recommending. So